there, I'm Sue, and you just saw a number of different ways that you can use customized ribbon for your products. The applications are endless, whether you want to brand your product with ribbon, or you want to enhance your craft by putting in garment tags or ingredients on your chocolates, or if you're in a school or a church or a nonprofit, from a single customized ribbon to hundreds or thousands of ribbons that you're applying to your product. The options, like I said before, are pretty much endless. Today I have a special announcement. We have brand new design and print software to offer you. For the last 10 years, we've been running on the original version of the software, updating along the way for operating systems, of course. But after 10 years, we've decided, let's start fresh and let's build from the ground up and recreate the software for you so it's ready to go for the future. Now, the design is the same design that we had before, the one that I created over 10 years ago now. But as I've said, we've upgraded the functionality, modernized the look a little bit, and made sure that it is up to date with the most current thing that's available for you. As always, it's a promise that we've made to customers all along. When we update our software, you get that at no extra charge. So if you're already a Ribbon Print customer, you should have already gotten emails on how you can upgrade to this newest, latest, and greatest software. And if you're just considering a Ribbon Print purchase right now, know that that is our commitment to you. An investment in our ribbon printer packages and software entitles you to this upgrade. So with that, why don't we go and take a look at this brand new design and print software. All right, so here we are, a look at the new Design and Print 5.0 software. For this demonstration, I'm just going to create a very basic ribbon, and for that, I'm going to go over here and add some text. And again, it's going to be something that's very generic at first. Happy birthday. Everybody has birthdays, so this is a very easy one to look at. You can see here that I'm adjusting the size. Now, I'd like to make this font a little bit fancier, so I'm going to go in and change it. The software pulls from the fonts that you already have loaded on your computer. So if you're looking for something that you don't have, you just download it to your computer, and then you're able to add it into a ribbon. So this looks pretty birthday-ish, I'd say. Now I'm going to add a second line of text with the birthday boy's name. Happy birthday, Michael. And here I think I'm going to change this to a different font too. Again, just to add some pizzazz. So there we go. Happy birthday, Michael. Now, got to do some images, of course. Let's see. I'm going to add here a cupcake. Just like that. And I think I'll actually add a second one. So I'm just copy and paste this one and do a little designing here. Arrange it a little bit differently. Here I go. And then for additional design flair, to show you what you're able to do here with the software, I'm going to add a shape, and of course it's going to be a heart. I'm going to add that on in here. And now watch this. I'm going to add some text to the heart that says, I love you. And it's from me. Now what I'm going to do here is I am going to click this inverse button, and look what happens. Now this text is going to show white against a dark background. It's white on the design board, but what actually is going to happen is the ribbon color will show through those inversed letters of I love you. So now I've made a personalized ribbon very special for my husband Michael's birthday. Loading the consumables is really quite easy. We're using the printer that is a center feed. The first thing we're going to do is load the ribbon. Just insert it into the internal ribbon holder. And this is going to flow directly across the bottom of the printer. Never mind those beeps. And through the ribbon guide that sits in the bottom of the printer. So that's all set. That's all you need to do to load your ribbon. And then the foils. This is the print that goes on the ribbon. We call them foils. I am going to insert this into the lower foil cartridge, wrap it around the print head. Just going to clip that down to make it easier, and then insert it so you can see into the upper foil cartridge. Okay, and then we're going to wind this a couple of times, and we are all set and ready to print. All I do is I go up to the print button, select a printer that I'm using, and press print. Here's an example of the design board when you're printing multiple rolls of ribbon at one time. You can have different designs, different ribbon colors, and different messages. The only thing that has to stay consistent is the foil color, the ink on the ribbon. And here you see it printing. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual demonstration on ribbon printing. If you have any other questions or want more information, email us at sales@theribbonprintcompany.com. You can also visit our website, theribbonprintcompany.com, and if you go there and look at the top of the screen, you'll see two drop-down menus, one design ideas and one customer support. And on both of those pages, there are a number of other popular videos to give you more information about ribbon printing. For now, take care and have a great day.